Hello guys, welcome back to Singhanias. Today I'll be showing you floral printed mushroom sarees under 15,000. So let's get started. So the first saree is this very pretty green color saree. As you can see, the whole body of the saree has got floral prints all over it in multicolors. And on the body, you can see that it's got small golden zari buttas as well. This saree is very flowy and very soft. And coming to the border, you can see that it's got golden zari border in creeper design but in leaves. This saree has got this very grand pallu in complete golden zari in very traditional design. Coming to the blouse of the saree, as you can see, it's got minimal print on it and same border as the saree. And similar to this, we've got this very nice red color saree. This saree has got a bigger floral print on it, and the border is similar to the previous one. It's in complete golden zari, and the pallu is also similar to the previous saree. Because of the contrast, this saree gives kind of a rich look. And if you're looking for a subtle look, you can go for the previous one. Coming to the blouse of the saree, it's got red blouse and it's got a small print on it and same border as the saree. So the next saree is this black saree. As you can see, it's got big floral print on it. The whole body of the saree is in shades of black and blue. It also has like this shade of purple as well. And it also has the small buttas in golden zari. Coming to the border of the saree, as you can see, it's got golden zari border in same leaf creeper design. And coming to the pallu, it's similar to the previous pallu. Coming to the blouse, it's got black blouse with same border as the saree. So the next saree is this purple color saree. As you can see, the whole body of the saree has got again floral print, really big floral print, and it's very well spaced out. So the print is in red and green color, and it's also got the small buttas in golden zari. The border of the saree is similar to the previous one in golden zari, and the pallu is again very grand in golden zari, similar to the previous saree. The blouse of the saree is in purple color with floral print on it, again same border as the saree. Singhanias Ashadam sale starts. Get up to 50% off only on our website singhanias.in. Find Kanchi, Banarsi, Bandhani and many more. So the next saree is this blue color saree. As you can see, the whole body of the saree has got floral print on it, but it's also got this geometrical print. Again, it's a very colorful saree and very soft. As you can see, it's very soft, very easy to wear, and it's got this golden zari buttas as well. And the border is again in leaf creeper design in golden zari. So the pallu of the saree is in very grand golden zari pallu. So the blouse of the saree is in floral print, as you can see here, with the same border as the saree. So similar to the previous one, as you can see, this is another printed saree, but this saree has got this ombre effect, cream to purple, and on the body of the saree, it's got really big flowers in pink color, and as you can see, it's also got this small little golden zari buttas as well. The border of the saree is similar to the previous saree in golden zari, and as you can see, the pallu of the saree is very grand again in golden zari. Coming to the blouse of the saree, it's in zigzag lines with same border as the saree. So the next saree is this very pretty black color saree. As you can see, this has got a different kind of floral print on it in multicolors, and it's also got a small butta in golden zari. The border of the saree is in golden zari in creeper design again, and the pallu again is a very grand pallu, similar to all the previous sarees which I've seen. So the blouse of the saree is in black color blouse with same border as the saree. So the next saree is this cream and red color saree. As you can see, the whole body of the saree is in cream color with really elaborate floral print on it, and as you can see, it's also got this small buttas in golden zari. Coming to the border of the saree, it's got contrast red color border with golden zari. Coming to the pallu, it's got contrast pallu with golden zari, and the blouse is a very pretty blouse, and the blouse is a very pretty blouse. So it's in floral pink, floral print all over in cream color, and this is how the border looks like. So the next saree is this green color saree, and as you can see, it's got very different kind of floral print on it. So the whole body of the saree has got multicolor floral print. small flowers, big flowers, different kind of floral print on it, and again small buttas in golden zari. And coming to the border, it's got golden zari border. And coming to the pallu of the saree, it's got complete golden zari pallu, similar to the previous saree. Coming to the blouse of the saree, it's got floral print on it and same border as the saree. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you liked all the printed sarees which I've shown you. But if you want to see more collections like this, you can subscribe to our channel. And if you want to see new collections, you can even visit our website singanyas.in. Thank you.